the car won't start. My Polo, I wanted to bring my Polo to the place where the backyard where we do all of the work and videos that you guys watch. So Polo won't start. I actually had a slow start from past couple of weeks. I suspected the battery, but didn't pay a lot of attention because I take out this car mostly once in like 10 days or a week maybe. But then what happened today in the morning when I actually tried turning it on, the car was just dead, and I instantly understood that the battery has gone, because a year back I had the similar issue and I had to get my battery recharged. All the cells in the batteries were fine at that time, so I got it done. The battery was working fine, the car was working fine. But today it's happened, so I had to borrow another battery from my friend and bring the car here and send the actual battery to the person who can recharge. Now he told me that there are two cells that have gone bad. One is weak, two has gone bad, rest are all fine, so I can use it for a few more days. That being said, we also got a good chance to make a video on how to change the battery and what happens when you change the battery. So technically I'm gonna go open the hood, remove the battery that is not mine, my friend's, and install the battery that is recharged, and we'll see if the car starts. But currently the car will start. I did not record when the car was not starting. I panicked and just changed the battery and came over here because I got to do a lot of work in the car today. I need to do the oxygen sensor cleaning. I need to change the spark plugs too. So the more videos on those also coming up on the channel. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And before we start or talk any further, I just wanted to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel in the past. I'm very grateful to you guys, and we are on road to 10,000 subscribers. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, be a part of this channel, and let's get started. Let's remove the battery and fix the recharged one, and also make another video of we fixing up the spark plug. They are long due in this car. The car is dirty, it needs wash. You gotta do this, pull this one, the bonnet is open. Right. Yep, that's done. So this is the borrowed battery. I've connected it. We'll remove this one, and I got one in the back. I'll fix that one and keep this one back. So I'll show you how to remove the battery and how to fix it back. This is Polo TSI 1.0, and most of the Polo models basically have similar ones. So this is, you will need 10 mil. So 10 mil, you just have to make sure you do it on the rotate anti-clockwise. Yeah. This need to be done first. Always remember, do the negative first. Now open the flap. This is basically the wire that goes for my woofer and every other lighting that I have put in the thing. Now the second one, you will have to open this one. That's it. You pull the flap, it goes aside, it goes, put it away. Now your battery is unplugged. Okay, you see this is the bolt that is holding, so you'll have to, I think, use 14. Let me check. Let me figure out the wrench for it. You'll have to unbolt that as well, and then we're good to remove the battery out. So this one you'll need 13 mil. I actually have kept it loose so I can remove it with my hands, because I knew that I already have to change the battery anyway, so I kept it loose. Don't remove it completely, just loosen it, and then just hold the battery and you'll be able to take it out. Okay, now that goes. Let me get the actual battery and then fix it back. Alright, So I've put the battery. Now first thing we'll do is connect the positive. In the end we'll connect the negative. It's pretty simple. Now if you see, these are basically the cells, the battery cells. We'll talk later in the video how to understand if you are able to, how to understand if you can change the battery, if you have to change the battery, or you can just replace, change the battery completely, or you can just refill and use it. Now we will fix this one first, and then we will attach that, and then I'll talk to you guys. So that's it. Once you fix the entire battery, now we're gonna go turn on the car and see if it's turning on or not, and then I'll explain you the rest of it. So let's go. All right, so the car is starting. Now what happens here is, once you change the battery, is basically you start getting an engine symbol. When you remove the battery, your entire ECU gets reset. In that way you will have a symbol, engine symbol, coming on your dashboard of the car. That means the car basically is detecting some error. That's gonna go off once you drive for like 10-15 kilometers, because the ECU is yet to understand all the electronics. So once you drive for 5 to 10 kilometers, the engine symbol is gonna go off, and there won't be any issue. Now the car is working fine, it's all good. That means we have fixed the battery. You don't have to replace the battery unless all the cells are bad. You cannot change the water. If only 1, 2 or 3 cells are bad, you can still change the acid, you can still change the water, and then use for a while. If you use the car every day, it's going to come for a longer term. But if you don't use car every day or at least once in a week, it's going to go down. The battery going to get bad sooner. Now that being said, that's it for today. We're going to shoot the video now for the spark plug. That's going to be another video right after this, or maybe after a couple of videos, because we need to change the spark plug for this car. And yeah, we'll start and get on to it. For this video, this is it. So that's how you change the battery, and that's how you know when to change the battery. Now don't get stranded on the road. Learn how to do it. Even if you don't learn how to do it, at least you should know what happens when your car don't turn on. That being said, thanks for watching my video. If you haven't watched my other video, you can watch my older videos here and here. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and share it with all of your friends. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have fun, ride safe. Cheers.